Imagine having the power to change the way you think, feel, and act. Does that sound like something from a science fiction movie? Well, it's not. It's cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT for short. So what is cognitive behavioral therapy? It's a structured form of talk therapy that supports individuals in identifying and modifying negative thought patterns. Picture it as a mental workout, where, just like in physical training, you're building strength and endurance, but in this case, it's for your mind. In this mental gym, you're not alone. You'll have the guidance of a skilled therapist to help you navigate through these challenging cognitive exercises. Together, you'll work on better understanding your thoughts and feelings and how they influence your actions. But what makes CBT so special? It's its effectiveness. CBT is a powerful tool that has proven to be effective in treating a range of mental health disorders, from depression to post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. But its application doesn't stop there. It's also incredibly useful in managing stress, making it a versatile tool in mental health care. Here's the thing though, cognitive behavioral therapy isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personalized approach tailored to each individual's needs. It's about setting realistic goals and working towards achieving them step by step. It's about doing the hard work, facing emotional discomfort, and coming out stronger on the other side. And yes, it involves homework. But don't worry, this isn't your typical school assignment. It's about practicing these new skills in your everyday life, reinforcing what you've learned during your therapy sessions. Cognitive behavioral therapy isn't a magic trick, but a tool that can empower you to manage your mental health effectively. It's about taking control, changing your perspective, and reshaping your life. And that, my friends, is the power of CBT. You might be wondering, how does cognitive behavioral therapy work? Is it like a typical therapy session or something different? Well, let's delve into it. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is not your run-of-the-mill therapy. It's a structured form of talk therapy that usually involves a limited number of sessions. But don't be fooled, these sessions can pack quite the punch. Each one is designed to help individuals identify and change negative thought patterns, those pesky mental habits that can make challenging situations even harder to handle. Now you might be thinking, limited number of sessions, so it's a quick fix then? Not quite. While CBT is typically shorter in duration than many other therapies, it's far from a magic bullet. Think of it more like a journey towards better mental health, with each session being a step along the path. Each step or session in this journey is tailored to individual needs and may involve homework assignments. Yes, you heard it right, homework. But this isn't the kind of homework that will have you up at all hours of the night. It's practical, goal-oriented work designed to help you apply the skills you learn in therapy to your everyday life. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. CBT can cause emotional discomfort. It's not always easy to confront and change long-standing negative thought patterns. But remember, working with a skilled therapist can help you develop the coping skills you need to manage this discomfort and make lasting changes. CBT can stand alone as a therapy, but it can also play well with others. It's often used in combination with other therapies depending on the individual's needs and circumstances. Just like mastering a new skill, cognitive behavioral therapy requires practice and patience. It's not always easy, but the payoff can be a more positive outlook and a better handle on life's challenges. So are you ready to take the first step? Now, you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I find the right therapist for cognitive behavioral therapy? Well, you're asking the right question. The success of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, largely hinges on finding a therapist who is a good match for you. This doesn't just mean someone with the right qualifications, but someone who understands your unique challenges, your goals, and your way of seeing the world. Imagine you're on a journey. Your therapist is like your guide, helping you navigate through the rough terrain of your thoughts and emotions. They're there to help you identify and change negative thought patterns that are holding you back. But to do this effectively, they need to truly understand you and be someone you can trust. Now, trust is a two-way street. It's not just about you trusting your therapist, but your therapist also needs to trust you. In fact, confidentiality is a cornerstone of therapy. Your therapist is bound by professional ethics and legal requirements to maintain your confidentiality. This means that what you discuss in therapy stays in therapy, except in cases of immediate safety threats or legal requirements. But let's be clear, finding the right therapist isn't a one-shot deal. It might take time, and you may need to meet with several therapists before you find the one who's right for you, and that's okay. It's part of the process. It's about finding a person who not only has the skills and knowledge to guide you, but also one who resonates with you on a personal level. So when you're looking for a therapist, don't just look at their degrees or their years of experience. Pay attention to how they make you feel. Do you feel heard, understood, comfortable? These are all crucial elements in building a successful therapeutic relationship. And remember, therapy is not a quick fix, it's a journey. And like any journey, it's not just about the destination, but also about the journey itself. And having the right guide by your side can make all the difference. Remember, the journey to mental wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. The right therapist can make all the difference. Let's face it, cognitive behavioral therapy isn't a magic pill. This is the reality we need to acknowledge. It isn't a one-time solution for all your mental health concerns, nor is it a quick fix. Rather, CBT is a structured, goal-oriented approach that can empower you to manage these concerns more effectively. Consider it as a journey of self-discovery and improvement where you learn to identify and change the negative thought patterns and behaviors that are impacting your mental health. It's about equipping yourself with the tools and techniques to handle life's challenges better, from everyday stressors to more serious mental health disorders. Cognitive behavioral therapy is about transformation, not just treatment. It's about transforming the way you think, the way you react, and ultimately the way you live your life. It's about reprogramming your mind to replace self-defeating thoughts with more positive, constructive ones. It's about learning to respond to challenging situations in a healthier, more productive way. But remember, this transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that takes time, effort, and commitment. It may involve emotional discomfort as you confront and change deeply ingrained thought patterns. But with the guidance of a skilled therapist, you'll learn to navigate this journey and develop the coping skills you need. And while cognitive behavioral therapy may not cure mental health disorders like depression or PTSD, it can significantly improve your ability to manage these conditions. It can enhance your quality of life by helping you to better understand your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. So is CBT a panacea for all mental health issues? No, it isn't. But it is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your mental health and live a more fulfilling life. It's about empowering you to become the best version of yourself, despite the challenges you may face. Cognitive behavioral therapy might not be the solution to everything, but it's a powerful tool in your mental health toolkit.